Hi and welcome to another video about idioms. In this video we'll be featuring the idiom kill two birds with one stone. I'll also explain the idiom meaning and use in example sentences. In this video I'll also answer the question, what are idioms? Here you'll find the idiom meaning and use, where the idiom phrase originated from, other words you could use to say the idiom phrase and convey the same meaning, and examples of how the idiom kill two birds with one stone is used in everyday conversations. What are idioms? An idiom is a figurative language or a figurative speech used to translate a thought or expression. Most of these idioms date back to hundreds of years and they are still used today in daily conversations. One very popular idiomatic phrase which is still used today is the idiom kill two birds with one stone. Kill two birds with one stone meaning, or what is the meaning of killing two birds with one stone? The meaning of the idiom kill two birds with one stone is to successfully get two different things accomplished at the same time. The idiom means to solve two problems in one single action. To kill two birds with one stone is to achieve two things with a single action. To get two things done within the same day or the same hour or in one trip. Kill two birds with one stone origin. The earliest record of the idiom kill two birds with one stone was founded in the year 1656. It is widely believed that the idiom phrase originated from the story of Daedalus and Icarus from the Greek mythology, where Daedalus had killed two birds with one stone so he could get the feathers of the birds to make wings. In the Greek folk story, the father and son escaped from the labyrinth on Crete by making wings using the feathers and flew out. Other ways to say the idiom kill two birds with one stone. Other ways you can say kill two birds with one stone and convey the same meaning is free two birds with one key, mash two potatoes with one fork, flutter two hearts with one look, pull two weeds with one yank, water two plants with one hose, get two giggles from one tickle, tickle two tummies with one finger. Kill two birds with one stone used in example sentences. My plan is to go to the bank and get some money, then on the way back I'll be getting some groceries as well. That way I'll be killing two birds with one stone. While Jack was in London on a business trip, he killed two birds with one stone by taking care of business and visiting relatives he had not seen in 10 years. By cycling to work, Danny kills two birds with one stone. Cycling saves him money he could be spending at the gas station and gives him some well-needed exercise as well. That's it guys for this idiom video. Thanks for watching our video about idiom kill two birds with one stone. Thanks for supporting us by subscribing to this channel. You can do that by scrolling down and clicking on the red subscribe button below. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment with I love this video. Thank you for watching. Remember, hit that red subscribe button and be on the lookout for our next idiom video which is coming up shortly.